Okay, hi everyone. Today we are looking at question number 10. As you can see over here, this is a distance question. Okay, so I like to put DST. But of course, later words you can identify whether if it's a meets up, catch up kind of question. Now, as you can see over here, it says that Munira cycled from her home to a park. Okay, so where's her home? Her home is here to a park here. On her way, she had to cycle past a library. So this is the library. Now, in sentence number 1, right, it says that she cycled at an average speed of 15 kilometers per hour for half an hour from her home to the library. So we know that the time over here is half an hour, and we know that the speed over here is 15 kilometers per hour. So naturally, you should find out your hidden information, which is the distance, right? So that basically means 15 times half. If you're wondering why 15 times half, because distance is basically speed times time. All right, so that is the formula that you need to remember. Okay, so this is 7.5 kilometers. Now, so once you're done with that, right, you want to read the second part of the sentence. It says that she then cycled the remaining 2/5 of the journey. So that means to say the distance over here is actually 2/5. Now, if this is 2/5, naturally you will have to think that this is 3/5, isn't it? So we know that 3/5, which is also 3 units. So I would prefer, if I were to write down 3 units, I'm just going to do at the side. 3 units is 7.5. 1 unit will then be 7.5 divided by 3, and that gives me 2.5. And over here is 2 units worth of distance, so that is basically 5. So we know that this is actually equals to 5 kilometers. Okay, for 45 minutes. So my time is actually 45 minutes. Now, but you do not want to leave it as 45 minutes because we are all dealing with hours. So you want to change that to hours. Okay, you just put the denominator as 60, all right, and you get to 3/4 hours. And because you have distance time, you can quickly find your speed, right? So you just have to do 5 divided by 3/4. All right, from here itself, we know that my speed itself has to be 62/3 kilometers per hour. Okay, now the question says, right, hey, can you find the distance she cycled from her home to the library? From the home to the library, the distance, that means from here all the way to here. Therefore, as you can see over here, it is 7.5 kilometers for part A. Now, then the second part, it says the average speed. Now, so if every time you want to find average speed, you must understand it is always the total distance over the total time. Okay, so let's ask ourselves, okay, what is the total distance? The total distance, as you can see over here, it is 7.5 plus 5 kilometers. Okay, so 7.5 plus 5 over the total time. The total time, as you can see over here, is half an hour and 3/4 hour. So half plus 3/4. Okay, so 7.5 plus 5, that gives me 12.5 over half plus 3/4, that is basically 5/4. All right, so if this is confusing to you, you can just write down 12.5 divided by 5/4. I apologize for that. 5/4. Okay, so 12.5 divided by 5/4, you will get to an answer of 10 kilometers per hour. Okay, so therefore, this is your answer for this question.